Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use TiviMate on Chromecast. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. Let's get started. So we're going to be using TiviMate. I have this app downloaded and installed already. I have a video showing you how to download and install it on your device. So just head over to the app and click on it to launch. Now when the app is launched, the first message you're greeted with is a request to allow TiviMate display over other apps. This can be done in settings. Just click on the settings there to link you to settings. When you come out of the settings, you're going to be searching for the APK on this list. So it is TiviMate. So now you have the app here. Just click on that toggle to allow it. So TiviMate can now display over other apps. This is key for its functionality. And now you're told that TiviMate does not have any provision for sources of TV channels and things like that. So the media you put in here, you need to bring it in. So to watch the TV channels, you have to add the playlist, and that will probably be provided by your IPTV service. So you can just click on add playlist, and you have the three options here, either M3U playlist, Extreme Codes, or the Stalker portal. You could also toggle the settings from general, playlist, EPG. You could work on the appearance, changing how it looks if you have the premium version. You can also do parental controls and other settings on the premium version as well. Check the app variants here and make sure you're on the version that is current. For the best experience, always use the updated version of the app. So basically that's it for TiviMate. If you found that insightful, if the video was useful, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll see you in the next video.